Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the JVC Gumy Mini True Wireless Earbuds. These compact and lightweight earbuds come in a vibrant green color, and I've been putting them to the test over the past few days. Let's talk about the key features. First off, the Gumy Mini design is not only colorful but also provides a comfortable fit. They come with SML earpieces, ensuring you find the ideal fit for your ears. The IPX4 water resistance rating makes them great for outdoor use, protecting against splashes. Now, the battery life on these earbuds is impressive. With the included charging case, you get a total of 23 hours of playback, which is fantastic for those long journeys or extended use throughout the day. The Bluetooth 5.1 technology ensures a reliable connection, and the Auto Connect feature makes them hassle-free to use. Just remove them from the charging case, and they power on and connect automatically. One standout feature is the 7 sound modes. You can customize your listening experience with options like normal, bass, or clear sound. It adds a nice touch for those who enjoy different audio profiles for various types of content. Operating these earbuds is a breeze thanks to the touch sensor control. It's responsive and doesn't burden the ears. Plus, they are voice assistant compatible, adding to the convenience. Overall, the JVC Gumy Mini True Wireless Earbuds offer a solid package with comfort, a long-lasting battery, customizable sound modes, and reliable connectivity. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features, these are worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.